Okay, so I'm in my parents' room keeping watch of the dogs. Yeah, 'cause it's what you do. I'm thinking about watching, something on YouTube. Then I find out that my parents' Roku remote, outside of raising the volume, uh, also somehow controls this fan here. Have no idea how that works. Look. I have no idea how that works. I, huh? These are like completely different brands too. I have no idea how this works. So yeah, uh, just another weird fucking thing. My TV remote controls the portable fan here.